Assalamualaikum, my name Ahmad Ifan Fatullah bin Jabir Fatullah and I'm from class KIM 110-4D.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Hadi bin Jamaluddin from class KIM 110-4D.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Adam Yahya. I am from class KIM 110-4D.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fizi Dailan.
Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to prepare installation disk using USB flash drive. So before we start, make sure you have 8GB USB flash drive or above to install it. So the first thing you want to do is open your browser and head to this website. After that, click the first result. And then you can see the download tool now. So you can see the file that has been downloaded and then click on it. And then we can see a dialog box. What do you want to do? So just click a create installation media and then next. So you can see here there's a language, edition and architecture, and just click next. Okay, in this section we can see there's two types, which is USB flash drive and ISO file. So we use the USB flash drive and then next. So select the USB flash drive and then next. So this could take a while and it depends on your internet connection speed. So after complete, just click finish. And it's done. So this is how to prepare installation disk using USB flash drive.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adam bin Yahya. I will teach you how to download VMware's workstations. Download VMware's Workstation Pro is at the first link. You click here, and then you will download now. You can click download now. Then this download it. Okay, next. Preparing VMware's workstation for installations. So be patient and waiting for the installation. Okay, welcome to the VMware Workstation Pro setup results. Okay, next, after you download the files for preparing VM Workstation for installations, so be patient and wait. We have done install, and this will be here. Okay, next. I have installed the VMware's Workstation Pro, and this will be the main page. Alright. Okay, next I will show you to create a new virtual machine. first click a new, create a new virtual machine, and next click next. You click typical, you select the typical recommended, and next you can install for the installer this image file ISO, or I will install the operating system method. I will install register. Okay, next you choose Microsoft Windows version Windows 10 multiplies 24. Next, okay, your visual machine name is a Windows 10 multiplied 64 for my virtual machine names. Okay, you locate the document at user document virtual in your folder name. Okay, you can set the maximum disk size. For me, I set 20 gig. And store it regular disk as a single files. Okay, next. Ready to create a virtual machines. Then you can install in Windows. For me, I will change the memory for these virtual machines. I will change to 2 gig. Okay, memory 2 gig. Then for processor, if you want to change number of processor, if you have more to processor, you can change. Okay, done. Close and finish. Then click finish. Ta-da! Your window is done.
My name is Muhammad Hadif, and I'm going to show the step 3, which is the installation of operating system in the virtual machine. Choose the language that you prefer and then click on the next button and click the install now and wait for the software to be installed. For this one, you need to have a product key to activate the Windows, but you can also click on the I don't have the product key option. Now choose Windows 10 Home and click Next. And click on the I accept the license terms and click Next. And now for this, you need to choose the custom install Windows only and then click Next. Now you need to wait for it to installing the Windows, and it will take some time to finish. After the installations of the Windows has been completed, it will restart your device, your virtual machines, before the Windows 10 can be used on the virtual machine. Now it is restarting your computer, and now we need to wait before we can sign up and set up the Windows account. Okay, now choose your region. For this one, I just choose the United States, and then I click on the yes button and wait for it to load. Okay, now choose the keyboard layout that you want. I choose US and I click yes. And this one I skip. Now let's just wait for the system to set up the important thing. Okay, now if you have the Microsoft account, you can just sign in. But if you don't have, you can click on the offline account and wait a moment. And for this one, we can just keep it by clicking on the limited experience button and, wait. Now just write your name or the person that going to use this PC name and click on next. Now you need to create a password that you can remember. And after inserting your password, you need to confirm your password again so that there will be nothing wrong on it. And now choose the security question for this account. Let me just choose it for a while. So I choose this question for my account. And there are 3 security questions that we need to choose. This is the second security question. So this is the third one. And click next. Now we need to wait. So this is all the privacy setting. You can just click next and wait. So for this one, you can click on the yes button. So this is Cortana, will be like your personal assistant on this Windows 10. I click accept. And now wait a moment. Okay, so now our Windows 10 are almost ready to be used. We just need to wait for several minutes before we can use it. Okay, so this is our Windows 10 on our virtual machines and it is ready to be used.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Fizi Ailan. I'm gonna demonstrate on step 4, setting up the operating system. Okay, on the step 4, we're gonna show the desktop icons, which is my computer, recycle bin, network, documents, and control panel. Okay, first, right click and then go to personalize. Click on the themes, scroll down. Okay, click on the desktop icon settings. Okay, and then click on computers, users file, network, recycle bin, and control panel. Apply and click OK. So this is the icon shown on the monitor. Okay, next, change the wallpaper. Okay, first right click and then go to personalize. Okay, here and choose picture. Okay, I click browse, then choose UiTM wallpaper and choose picture. Okay, so now the monitor, the wallpaper, the UiTM logo. Okay, I will demonstrate on how to perform this partition. Okay, first click on this PC, right click on this PC and manage. Okay, and select this management. So here's the partition. Okay, right click on this one and choose shrink volume. Okay, so I enter the 10,000. The estimate will with 10 gigabyte. Okay. So the partition have been done. Okay, and then click next. Next. Okay, so the partition have been created. So to check it, I go to this PC. So here, there we can see the new partition for storage area. Okay, that's for the perform this partition. Okay, and now how to set up the visual memory. Okay, first click right click and go to properties and click to advanced system settings. Okay, so here is the system properties. Go to advanced, and in performance, we have visual effects, processors, scheduling, memory usage, and visual memory. Okay, click on settings. Okay, click on advanced. Okay, so here is the visual memory. Okay, click on the change. Okay, so we have like this, and click on the custom size. Okay, for the initial size, we take the recommended size, 2935. Okay, for the maximum size, okay, we go back to the system. So this the installed RAM 16 GB. So calculator. So I take 1024 multiply with 16, and we get the number. Okay, 16,384 multiply with 1.5, and we got the amount. So this amount we write on the maximum size 24,576. Okay, click on set, click OK. Okay, click OK, apply, click OK. Okay, so you need to restart your computer to apply these changes. So maybe I can you can restart it. Okay, next I will demonstrate on how to create a user account. First, go to settings and click on accounts, and on the left menu click on family and other users. Okay, on the screen add someone else to this PC. Okay, so just click on I don't have this person's information. Okay, so this it asks for detail to create an account. Just click on add a user without a Microsoft account. Okay, so on the screen you can enter the username and can put a password to secure it. This method allow you to create a user account without using a Microsoft account or Microsoft email. So we enter the name. Okay, click on next. So the user are created, and click on the user. You can change the account type. The account type you can choose a standard user or admin. Okay, I choose for admin and click OK. So the account are created. You can check on the Windows menu. Okay, so here you can sign out and sign into the account. Okay, next, how to create a group account. Okay, first right click on the start button and then go to computer management. Okay, after on the screen, on the left menu, go to local users and group. So we have the users and groups folder. Okay, simply right click on the screen and go to new group. So you can create you can insert a group name and description to create a new group. So for the group name, for example, and the description I will put out as installation. Okay, for the to add users, click on the add button and insert the user's name. For example, okay, and click on check names. So we have the user. Click on OK. Okay, so this user are added into the group. Click create and close. So here's the group that are created, and that's the step. Okay, next we have how to share a folder. First, choose the folder you want to share. Right click on the file and go to properties. Okay, on the properties menu, we have general, sharing, security, reservations, and customize menu. Okay, go to the sharing menu and click on the share button. Okay, on this tab, you need to enter the user you want to share. For example, I choose everyone and then click on add. Okay, for this username, for this user, you can choose the permission level, whether they can only read or read and edit the folder. Okay, and then click on share. Okay, and now the folder are shared. So that's the step. Okay, next I'm gonna show about how to run a task manager. Okay, for task manager we can use a shortcut key, which is Control, Alternate and Delete, and press at the same time, and then choose task manager. Okay, on the menu, they shows no running apps. Okay, click on the Microsoft Edge software. Okay, and then minimize it. Okay, here's at the task manager menu, we have running apps. We can choose to end the task by clicking the end task button. Okay, and click on the more detail. We can get a following menu, which are process, performance, apps history, startup, users, details, and services. Okay, that's the step to run a task manager. So in this step, I'm gonna show how to run a device manager. Okay, first you need to click on the control panel. After that, click on the device manager. Okay, so here's the device manager. We have many drivers are installed. We take example on audio input and outputs. Okay, we have the microphone and speakers installed. Click on the microphone to open the properties. As we can see, this device are working properly. Okay, so the other menu, which are general, driver, details, and events. We can choose action for the device, such as update the driver, disable and uninstall it. And we have other option menu like view and help. Okay, that's all for the step 4. Okay, that's all the step to install an operating system on the computer. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching our video and have a nice day.